Hi guys, last section here, we're going to be simplifying rational expressions. So let's see what we got. Hope you guys are having a great summer, by the way. All right, here we go. What we're going to be doing is we're going to factor the numerator and the denominator, and then we're going to simplify. So factoring this and this separately. First one, I want two factors of -10 to add to give me 3. So that is going to be 5 and 2. Gonna go ahead and jump to this. We're gonna get k plus 5, k minus 2. Bottom, I want two factors of -45 that add to give me -4. So we're gonna be using 9 and 5. Cancel anything out that you can. So here, I'm gonna cancel out these guys. And we're gonna be left over with our final answer, k minus 2 over k minus 9. All right, continuing. We're going to see if we can pull anything out of the top. 5 and 12 both divisible by 3. We're gonna be left over with 5n plus 4. And 6 and 21 are also divisible by 3. We'll be left over with 2n minus 7. The 3's are going to go away, and we'll be left with our final answer, 5n plus 4 over 2n minus 7. All right, number 27. So this one, I can't take anything out of all of these, so we are going to have to do it the long way. 3 times -12 is going to be -36. Two factors of -36 that add to give me -5. I'm going to be using 9 and 4. And we are going to have to factor this, so I'm going to have to leave it in a separate section, and then I'm just going to combine at the end. So 3x squared minus 9x plus 4x minus 12, factor by grouping. Bring down the sign. I know I did this correctly because they match. Okay, so I know the top is equal to this, so let's rewrite it. And we're going to do the same thing with the denominator. So denominator here, we're going to have 2 times 15 is 30. Two factors of 30 that add to give me -11 are -5 and -6. So we're going to rewrite. Oops. And now we're going to factor by grouping. 2 and 5 don't have anything. They do have an x though. Bring down the sign. 6 and 15 are both divisible by 3. And I know I did this correctly because they match. And now we'll get to this. So this is going to be 2x minus 5. Now we'll cancel out things that we can and reduce to get our final answer. All right, last one, number 28. The numerator, we can pull out a 5. So we can go ahead and do that. The denominator, I'd like for them to all be divisible by 7, but they're just not. So we're going to have to multiply, and this is going to take some time to figure out what the factors are. So 7 times 90 is going to give us 630. We want two factors of that add to give us -73. So again, I'm going to go to a graphing calculator. You could use Desmos if you wanted. I'm going to type in 630 divided by x, and I'm going to be looking at the table for these factors. So let's go type it in, 630 divided by x, and go to the table. All right, I want it to equal -73, so I already know I'm going to be going in the negative direction. And let's see. All right, I found -10. and negative 63. All right, so now we're going to rewrite this. 7a squared minus 10a minus 63a plus 90 and factor by grouping. All right, we're just going to be able to take out an a, bring down the sign. These are both divisible by 9. Don't know what that was all about. Okay, take out a 9. No, I did this correctly because they match. That's a 9. All right, cancel things out that you can. And the last step is going to be writing our final answer, which is this. All right, hope that you guys enjoyed this video. Please feel free to rewind, fast forward, whatever you need to do. Just use this however you need. And of course, let me know if you have any questions. I'll be very happy to help you. Have a great rest of your summer. Goodbye.